Welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery on a Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, on a Tuesday night. So yeah, we have something to fix. We have an HP 255G1. The laptop was booked in as no power. That's the laptop. Firstly, let's check the charger voltage to see if our charger is good. We must have 19 volts there. You can see on the test meter 19.51, so our charger is good. The next step, let's plug in the charger. Here we must have charging light here, but we have nothing. Even if I try to power on, it's just dead. No power, no life. So that's what we have to fix. So if this thing is completely dead, I think there's a hope that we might fix this one. Let's open it quickly and see what the problem. Hopefully it's not a complicated issue here. So yeah, that's the thing. If we don't have light, probably the 3.3 volts, which is meant to be on all the time, is missing. I can bet either we have a missing 19 volts power rail or 3.3 volts power supply is missing. But let's see what the problem is. It's quite late, so I'm trying to hurry up things so that I may go to rest. I don't want to take too much fixing this one because I don't have time. So let's check almost everything and see what's going on here. That's the keyboard. Disconnecting the touchpad. We do have a few more screws here. Let's check the top cover out. Okay, we have one more screw left here. Let's see why this laptop is not giving any sign of life. Let's see. The top cover is out. Check here on the input. Seems someone once worked on this one. Okay, you can see here we have first Mosfet. We do have the first Mosfet here, and the second Mosfet is blown up, and we do have current sensor here. So what I want to do, let's check for short on the main voltage, on the main 19 volts power rail. Let's check for short. Zero, zero. We have a short on the main 19 volts power rail. I don't want to take the whole motherboard because of time. Let's take this thing out. I want to clean that area, and then we can see what's going on there. Our motherboard is shorted. The next thing, we want to take down that Mosfet, you know. This Mosfet which is blown up, you can see. Second Mosfet. Let's take it down quickly. And the board layers, everything seems to be not right here. I don't know if I'm going to fix this. But the fault is pretty bad. Let's clean the area. Let's check for short now. You can see on those ceramic capacitors, the short is no more again. So what we have to do now, let's plug in the charger. Let's plug in the charger and check for some voltage there. Is this a good charger? 19. I can't see any voltage passing from the charging port to the motherboard. Again on the charger, 19. Okay. What I want to do next, Let me check something with power supply. Something is not right here. Something is not right. Let's take down this motherboard. Yeah, that's what happens if you try to wrap things, you know. Seems there's no shortcut for this time. Let's take out the motherboard completely. Let's try to follow the 19 volts power rail from the plug. We have a short, so let's come with the lower voltage and try to find out short where the short is. I just drop the voltage to 10 volts around the 3 amps and straight on the plus. My plus is not connected properly. Again. So we have a shorted charging port. Let's see. Plus. No. Let's try to find out the short. Let's raise the current 4 point something. If I took out the charging port, there's no short. If I plug in the charging port, we have a short. Yeah, that's very fun. Let's took out the first Mosfet again, because if the second Mosfet was blown up, I don't think I can trust the first Mosfet, because I can't see any physical damage from the charging port. Just to finish taking off the first Mosfet. Okay, so I think something is wrong with this charging port. Let's put back the first Mosfet. I was thinking maybe good. So if I put this charging port, we have a short. If I took out the short, it's gone. So let me look for a different charging port. I think that's a better way to do, just to make sure. Okay, I just found another charging port. Let's test with this one. Let's test with this one. Okay, let's took the original port. So clearly this port is, the charging port is shorted to ground. So let's test some voltage now. You can see we have light, but I'm sure (19) on the current sensor, 0, obviously because the second MOSFET is blown up. That's clear. So let's do something there. Let me find out a nice bridge and do something here. I'll do something. Hopefully we don't have many faults. I just pray that we don't have many faults here. So I'm taking 19 volts from the plus of the charging port. That's the pin from the plus of the charging port to, where is my bridge, to the straight to the current sensor. I'll jump all these two MOSFETs and come to the current sensor. Good. Hopefully that will solve the problem. You know, I explained all these things long ago, that the input circuit, that we have two MOSFETs, current sensor, things like that. So I guess there's nothing new here. Just to bypass the input circuit, what I want to do more, I want to check for some voltages, and then I'll insulate that area which is blown up. So on ceramic capacitors, maybe it's not here. You check on the test meter. We have 19.52. And on the last pin of the BIOS chip, which is meant to be supplied with the 3.3, check 3.39. So the condition for the motherboard to start is okay. We have 19 volts, we have 3.3. So let's try to power on this board with the by jumping pins. I can't, maybe. Can you see? Fan is spinning. Okay, that's all what we want to do. Let's insulate that area and test. Seems as if we are lucky this time. Seems as if we are lucky this time. Let's put back the motherboard and test. Just to hope that This job is done. If we have some faults, yeah, that would be a challenge. That would be a challenge. Just need to put few screws and then we test. Good. Let's plug in the charger. Charger plugged. Let's power on the laptop. We do it with the tweezer. Second pin to ground. You can see no bootable device found because we don't have hard drive. So this job is done. There's no reason to keep you on this video. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next one. Bye.